start our class, we have here the Energizer which lights it up. Okay, this Energizer is called Fix the Clock. So, class, I will show you a set of pictures and you are going to observe it and identify which is different and explain why. So, first set of pictures, we have this. Okay, Miss Malaran, can you differentiate the pictures and explain why?
They are all animals, but the 1, 2, 3 pictures are fish, and the fourth one is a cow. So it's
Very,
different.
very good observation. So, how about the next set? Miss Salinas, what did you observe to the second picture?
The pictures in 1 to 3 show long, but the last is short.
Very good.